हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 98 क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से लिंक क्लिक करके आप डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर से आप कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सबसे पहले बायो से, देन आएंगे केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो वीडियो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर ले क्रोम से, फिर वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में पोर्ट्रेट मोड में चलेगा। उसका भी जो लिंक है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पे है, which organ in is oval in shape, has a dense covering and lies in extra abdominal pouch having 2 to 1.5 degrees centigrade lower temperature than the body? Answer will be C, testes. The testes, also called testicles, are two oval shaped organs in the male reproductive system. They are contained in a sac of skin called the scrotum. The taxonomic unit phylum is used in the classification of animals only. Which term is equivalent to a phylum in the classification of plants? Answer C, division. In a taxonomical hierarchy, the term phylum is used only for animal kingdom. In plant kingdom, term division is used in place of the phylum. According to ICBN, specific suffix has been specified for different categories. Name of the division should end with suffix phyta. Gel electrophoresis is used for answer will be D, separation of DNA fragments according to their size। ये भी जो हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में एक क्वेश्चन आया था। सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट डी है, इन्फेक्शन थ्रेड्स कैरीज द बैक्टीरिया टू जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम। ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी ए बी सी बिल्कुल सही है। राइजोबियम मल्टीप्लाई एंड colonize the surroundings of roots and gets attached to epidermal and root hair cell. Successful infection of the root hair causes it to curl, or the nodule stabilizes a direct vascular connection with the host. During root nodule formation, infection thread carries the bacteria into the cortex of the root, where they initiates the nodule formation in the cortex of the root. Then the bacteria released from the thread into the cortical cells, which leads to the differentiation of specialized nitrogen fixing cells. The nodule establishes a direct vascular connection with the host for exchange of nutrients. When the activity of the gene is suppressed by the activity of a non-allelic gene, it is known as, answer will be C, epistasis. The gene interaction in which two non-allelic gene interacts with one other mask or suppress the activity of another gene present at a different gene locus. The gene which suppress the activity is known as epistatic gene, and the gene which is suppressed is known as hypostatic gene। ये हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। प्लांट लाइक इंडिगोफेरा, सिसवेनिया, ल्यूपिन एंड ग्राम। आंसर विल बी डी, बोथ ए एंड बी, यानी सो जाइगोमॉर्फिक फ्लावर्स और belong to same family Fabaceae। Ingofera, Sesbania, lupin, and gram are members of Fabaceae family. Members of Fabaceae family has a zygomorphic flower. They have maxillary estivation, due to which flower can be divided into two equal half from each one from one vertical plane only. In pteridophytes, spores germinate to produce, answer will be A, prothallus. In Pteridophylla, the main plant body is the diploid sporophyte. A spore is the first haploid structure produced after meiosis. It germinates to form a small green independent photosynthetic non-vascular plant body which is called prothallus. Select the incorrect match from the following। आंसर यहाँ पे होगा डी, आर्के बैक्टीरिया, साइनो बैक्टीरिया। ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी ए बी सी जो है यहाँ पे करेक्ट मैच है। फाइकोबायोन्ट अल्गल पार्टनर ऑफ लाइकेन, फाइकोमाइसिटीज, एल्बुगो कैंडिडा, फ्लैजिलेटेड स्पोरोजोवंस, ट्रीपैनोजोमा। Archaebacteria are the special since they live in some of the most harsh habitats, such as extreme salty areas, halophiles, hot springs, thermoacidophiles, and marshy areas, methanogens. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria in having a different cell wall structure, and this feature is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. Methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals, such as cows and buffaloes, and they are responsible for the production of methane biogas from the dung of these animals. In the developing ovule of most of the angiosperms, megaspore mother cell is situated within the nucellus towards the micropyle. Answer will be A. The developing ovule of the most of the angiosperm originate from a single megaspore mother cell present in the nucellus that is situated towards the micropylar end. Stony endocarp is present in. Answer will be B. Drupe mango. In mango and coconut, the fruit is known as drupe. They develop from monocarpellary superior ovaries and are one-seeded. In mango, the pericarp is well differentiated into a outer thin epicarp, a middle fleshy edible mesocarp, and an inner stony hard endocarp. In coconut, which is also a drupe, the mesocarp is fibrous. In lychee, the third integument which develops from the funicle at the base of the ovule is. Answer will be D. Aryl. In lychee, the third integument which develops from the base of the funicle becomes a thin, यहाँ पे thick and fleshy होना चाहिए, and form the edible portion and is known as aryl. Among the following, identify the substrate required for the only oxidative reaction that occurs in the process of glycolysis. Answer will be B. Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. In glycolysis, only one oxidative reaction occurs in which the hydrogen liberated is accepted by NAD plus forming NADH plus H plus. In this glyceraldehyde, 3-phosphate is hydrogen donor and is oxidized to form 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. A colorblind man XCY marries a woman who is carrier for hemophilia XXH. Which of the following is true for their progeny? Answer will be D. All of these. Yani 25% female progeny carries the genes for both hemophilia and colorblindness. 25% male progeny carry only the gene for hemophilia, or 25% female progeny carry only the gene for color blindness. Examples of arithmetic growth are. Answer will be A. Root elongation. The growth that occurs at a constant rate is known as the arithmetic growth, which is followed by the mitotic cell division. Only one daughter cell continues to divide while the other differentiates and other undergoes maturation. Root elongates at a constant rate, thus shows arithmetic growth. An increase in the girth of plant shows variable growth, and it depends upon the environmental condition and is a secondary growth involving differentiation. Question number 15. When the different structures evolve in the same direction due to adaptation to similar needs, it is then referred to as. Answer will be D. Analogy. Analogy or analogous structure is the one that does not indicate that there is a recent common ancestor between two organisms, even though the anatomical structures being studied look similar and maybe even perform the same functions. They are product of convergent evolution. Convergent evolution is the process whereby groups from the different ancestors evolve and accumulate similarities. The somatic cell in a human male contains, answer D, only one X-linked gene for each character. Human male contains 44 autosome and a pair of 6 chromosomes having one X and one Y chromosome. Genes located on the X and Y chromosomes are called a sex-linked gene. Genes present on X chromosome are called X-linked gene, and gene present on Y chromosome are called Y-linked gene. Male is hemizygous for both X-linked and Y-linked genes. Theriocide is, answer will be A, insecticide. Theriocide is a toxic to several insects and produced by bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis out of NCERT है. Question number 18. Which of the following character is unique to mollusca? Answer will be B. यहाँ पे mental cavity जो है वो unique to mollusca only है. Mollusks are terrestrial or aquatic, marine or freshwater, having an organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals. Body is covered by a calcareous shell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. A soft and spongy layer of skin forms a mantle over the visceral hump. The space between the hump and the mantle is called the mantle cavity, in which feather-like gills are present. They have respiratory and excretory functions. The anterior head region has sensory tentacles. The mouth contains a file-like rasping organ for feeding called radula. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो तो फिल कर रीड कर लेंगे. क्रोमोजोम्स फाउंड इन द सलेवरी ग्लैंड ऑफ ड्रोसोफिला इज. आंसर विल बी ए. पॉलीटीन क्रोमोजोम. पॉलीटीन क्रोमोजोम और लैम्ब्रस पूछते रहता है तो ये आउट ऑफ एनसीईआरटी, लेकिन इसका जरूर ध्यान रखना. पॉलीटीन क्रोमोजोम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सलेवरी ग्लैंड क्रोमोजोम. वाज पॉलीटून को आप टाइलिन से याद रख सकते हैं. टाइलिन जो है सलेवरी ग्लैंड का पार्ट है. सलेवरी है माइलेज को बोलते हैं टाइलिन. तो टाइलिन से आप पॉलीटीन याद रख सकते हैं. यानी पॉलीटून पॉलीटीन क्रोमोजोम टाइलिन सलेवरी ग्लैंड में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ऑल्सो नोन एज सलेवरी ग्लैंड क्रोमोजोम वाज डिस्कवर्ड इन द सलेवरी ग्लैंड ऑफ Chironomus insects and later in salivary gland of other insects like Drosophila. Due to its multi-threaded structure, it is also named as polytene chromosome. Which of the following is most appropriate defined? Answer C. Predator is an organism that catches and kills other organisms for food. Predation is an interaction between members of two species in which members of one species capture, kill, and eat up members of other species. Host is a term which is specifically related to parasitism. Amensalism is an interspecies interaction in which one species is harmed whether the other one is unaffected. Parasitic organism can live both over the surface of their host or inside their body. A technique in which a sperm are stored for a long duration is. Answer will be B. Cryopreservation. The sperm from a donor is preserved in liquid nitrogen and can be used when it is required, and this process of storage at -106 degrees Celsius is called cryopreservation. A molecule that acts as a genetic material must fulfill the following criteria except. Answer will be A. It should be structurally and chemical unstable. Okay. बाकी सारे क्राइटेरिया हैं BCD, यानी कि इट शुड हैव द एबिलिटी टू जनरेट इट्स रेप्लिका. इट शुड फैसिलिटेट स्लो चेंजेस नेसेसरी फॉर इवोल्यूशन, और इट शुड बी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस इटसेल्फ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेंडेलियन कैरेक्टर्स. Which of the contraceptive release mineral ions to inhibit the motility of a sperm? Answer will be B. Copper T. Copper ions are toxic for the sperm and prevents its motility so that it cannot fertilize eggs. In lac operon, which protein is not regulated by repressure? Answer will be C. Tryptophan synthase. Lac operon consists of three structural genes X, Y, and A. Gene X synthesize enzyme beta galactosidase which break lactose into glucose and galactose. Gene Y synthesized enzyme lactose permease which increases membrane permeability for lactose, and gene A synthesized enzyme transacetylase which degrades the galactose. Silencing of mRNA has been useful in producing transgenic plant resistant to. Answer will be B. Nematodes. Repeated question है. और nematode Melodogynin cognitia infects the roots of tobacco plant and causes a great reduction in yield. A novel strategy was adopted to prevent that this infection that was based on the Process of RNA interference, RNAi. RNA interference, RNAi is the phenomenon of inhibiting the activity of a gene by the synthesis of RNA molecules complementary to the mRNA. The presence of antisense RNA will block the translation of the mRNA of the affected gene. Identify the stages shown in the figure and select the correct option. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा बी, यानी ए यहाँ पे जो है लेट प्रोफेज है, बी मेटाफेज ऑफ माइटोसिस, सी प्रोफेज फर्स्ट ऑफ मियोसिस और डी यहाँ पे मेटाफेज वन ऑफ मियोसिस होगा. During late prophase, the nuclear membrane disappears and chromosomes are scattered in the cytoplasm. During metaphase of mitosis, chromosomes are organized in the center of the cell forming metaphagic plate. Recombination or crossing over during prophase first of meiosis. Chromosomal pairs are organized in center of cell during metaphase 1 of meiosis. Competition is most fires between. Answer will be B. Two or more closely related species in the same environment. Competition is the most fires the between two or more closely related species in the same environment as they depend on the same resources. If resources are limited, then competition cannot occur for long and eventually inferior one gets eliminated. A chromosome with sub-terminal centromere each. Answer will be A. Acrocentric. A chromosome consists of two chromatids that remain attached at a point called the centromere. According to the position of the centromere, the chromosome is of four types. In the acrocentric chromosome, the centromere is present towards the end of the chromosome, or the centromere is subterminal in position. How many of the following structures are found in the primary sex organ of a male? Okay, first यहाँ पे है the network of a small tubules, leading cell, blood vessels और seminiferous tubules. तो आंसर हमारा होगा D4, यानी यहाँ पे चारों structures होते हैं. The network of a small tubules, blood vessels, seminiferous tubules, the interstitial cells of leading are located in the connective tissue surrounding the sperm producing tubules of the testes, are responsible for the production and secretion of testosterone. Which among the following is not a naturalist? Answer will be B. Malthus. Malthus proposed the principle of population that initiated Darwin to rethink many issues while coming up with the theory of natural selection. Malthus' work made Darwin realize the importance of overpopulation and how it was necessary to have variability in different populations. Which of the following ducts helps in the transportation of a sperm and seminal plasma? ये भी हमारी रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. वास डिफरेंसिया, इपिडाइडमिस और वास डिफरेंस यहाँ पे तीनों आएंगे. ऑल ऑफ दीज आंसर विल बी डी. Which of the following form the basis of fungal classification? Answer D. All of these. The morphology of mycelium, mode of formation, spore formation और fruiting body. ये भी जो है पहले रिपीट कर चुका क्वेश्चन. द मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ द माइसेलियम, वेदर सेप्टेट और एसेप्टेट, मोड ऑफ स्पर फॉर्मेशन एंड फ्रूटिंग बॉडीज फॉर्म द बेसिस फॉर द डिवीजन ऑफ द किंगडम माइकोटा इनटू वेरियस क्लासेज. Which of the following hormones is not a secretion product of the human placenta? Answer will be B. Prolactin. Human chorionic gonadotropin is released by cells of placenta. Estrogen and progesterone are also released by placental cells to maintain pregnancy. Prolactin is secreted from anterior lobe of pituitary. Placenta secrete human placental lactogenic factor which prepare mammary gland to secrete milk. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? Answer will be C. Phloem. Collenchyma is a living mechanical tissue. Phloem or cork is made up of dead cells and its cell wall is deposited with suberin, which makes it impermeable. Sieve tube elements are long tube-like structures arranged longitudinally and are associated with the companion cells. Their end walls are perforated in a sieve-like manner to form the sieve plates. A mature sieve element possesses a peripheral cytoplasm and a large vacuole. but lacks a nucleus. The functions of sieve tube are controlled by the nucleus of companion cells. Xylem parenchyma are living parenchyma cells associated with xylem to store water and minerals. How many of the following hormones are synthesized by the hypothalamus? फर्स्ट यहाँ पे ग्रोथ हार्मोन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन, थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन, एल्डोस्टेरोन, ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन और फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन। तो आंसर हमारा ये होगा, यानी यहाँ पे ओनली 2 जो हार्मोन्स हैं वो है यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में करेक्शन है, यहाँ पे जो है हाउ मेनी ऑफ फॉलोइंग हार्मोन्स आर सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय हाइपोथैलेमस। तो यहाँ पे 4 हार्मोन जो यहाँ पे हैं वो सिंथेसाइज्ड होते हैं हार्मोन से। ग्रोथ हार्मोन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन और ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन और फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन। ओके, यानी आंसर यहाँ पे कोई है नहीं, 4 हार्मोन यहाँ पे है नहीं। एक बार आप इसको जरूर आप बुक में जरूर देख लेना एनसीईआरटी से। आउट ऑफ द 6 गिवन हार्मोन्स 4 ऑफ देम आर सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय द हाइपोथैलेमस। ग्रोथ हार्मोन, रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, प्रोलैक्टिन इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन, एफएसएच एंड एलएच। thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH is secreted by the thyroid gland, while aldosterone is a mineralocorticoid which is secreted by the adrenal gland. इसमें कुछ कलेक्शन है, जरूर आप एक बार बुक से देख लेना। ओके, हम रीड द स्टेटमेंट्स ए टू डी एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है माइटोसिस प्रोड्यूस 2 आइडेंटिकल डॉटर सेल्स। ओके, तो ये बिल्कुल सही है। मियोसिस इंट्रोड्यूसेस वेरिएशन ड्यू टू जीन एक्सचेंज, तो ये भी हमारा सही है। सी यहाँ पे कर आफ्टर एनाफेज द क्रोमोजोम हैज 2 क्रोमैटिड्स, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। डी यहाँ पे कर रहा है एनाफेज 1 इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द रिडक्शन इन क्रोमोजोम नंबर ऑफ गैमेट्स, तो ये भी हमारा बिल्कुल सही होगा। आंसर हमारा होगा सी, ए बी डी आर करेक्ट। Mitosis is an equational division in which one cell divides to form 2 identical daughter cells. Meiosis produces genetic variation due to crossing over which occurs during prophase 1 of meiosis. During anaphase, centromere splits and 2 chromatids are separated and starts moving to opposite poles. During anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes moves to opposite poles, hence reduction in the number of chromosomes happens. The LH and FSH secretion from the anterior pituitary is stimulated by the answer will be A, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropins are hormones synthesized and released by the anterior pituitary, which acts on the gonads, testes and ovaries to increase the production of sex hormones and stimulate production of either sperm or follicle stimulating hormone FSH and luteinizing hormone LH are the मेन गोनाडोट्रोपिन्स। यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन था उसमें शायद 2 ही आंसर होना चाहिए। ओके, एक बार बुक से ज़रूर देख लेना। यहाँ पे ग्रोथ रिलीजिंग हार्मोन और प्रोलैक्टिन इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन ही हो सकता है यहाँ पे। ओके, बाकी सब कंट्रोल करता है ये। ठीक है, आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वहाँ पे। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टर ऑफ द इकाइनोडर्म लाइफ साइकिल। आंसर है यहाँ पे होगा सी, एस सिमेट्रिकल। द एडल्ट इकानोडर्म्स आर रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल बट लार्वा आर बायलैटरली सिमेट्रिकल। सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इन द फॉलोइंग। तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हो गया डी, द पोस्ट सिनेप्टिक न्यूरॉन्स आर फिल्ड विथ न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर कंटेनिंग वेसिकल्स। ये जो हमारा इनकरेक्ट है, ये पहले भी क्वेश्चन आ चुका है। ए बी सी यहाँ पे करेक्ट होंगे। मल्टीपोलर न्यूरॉन्स आर फाउंड इन सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स। यूनिपोलर न्यूरॉन्स हैड सेल बॉडी विथ 1 एक्सोन ओनली, और द माइलिनेटेड नर्व फाइबर्स आर इन्वेलप्ड विथ स्वान सेल्स। At a chemical synapse, the membrane of the pre and post synaptic neurons are separated by a fluid-filled space called synaptic cleft. Chemicals called neurotransmitters are involved in the transmission of impulse at these synapses. The axon terminals of the presynaptic neurons contain vesicles filled with these neurotransmitters. When an impulse action potential arrives at the axon terminal, it stimulates the movement of the synaptic vesicle towards the membrane where they fuse with the plasma membrane and release their neurotransmitter in the synaptic cleft. The released neurotransmitters bind to their specific receptors present on the postsynaptic membrane. Which of the following is generally present in dicot stem but absent in monocot stem? First, endodermis; second, pericycle; third, medullary ridge; fourth, phloem parenchyma; fifth, pith और epidermis. तो आंसर यहाँ पे होगा डी, ऑल एक्सेप्ट सिक्स, यानी epidermis यहाँ पे एबसेंट बट एबसेंट इन मोनोकोट स्टेम, यानी कि जो epidermis है यहाँ पे वो प्रेजेंट होते हैं डाइकोट स्टेम में बट मोनोकोट स्टेम में यहाँ पे एब्सेंट होते हैं. इन डाइकोट स्टेम ग्राउंड टिश्यू इज वेल डिफ्रेंशिएटेड एंड कंसिस्ट ऑफ इंडोडर्मिस, पेरिसाइकल, medullary ridge and the central part as pith. In monocot, ground tissue is undifferentiated and lacks endodermis, pericycle, medullary ridge and the central part as pith. Phloem parenchyma is absent in monocot stem. Which of the following structures has the highest concentration of cone cells? Answer will be B, fovea. Everyone has a spot in their retina where the optic nerve connects. In this area there are no light sensitive cells, so this part of our retina cannot see. This is a blind spot. At the posterior pore of the eye, lateral to the blind spot, there is a yellowish pigmented spot called macula lutea, which is a central pit called the fovea. The fovea is a thinned out portion of the retina where only the cones are densely packed. This is the point where the visual acuity and resolution is the greatest. Based on the source of their nutrition or food, organism occupies a specific place in the food chain which is known as their answer will be a trophic level. Heavy and light meromycin are components of answer will be B, myosin filament. The connective tissue having the presence of abundant fibroblasts, macrophages and mast cell is आंसर यहाँ बी होगा. टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू यहाँ पे एरियोलर टिश्यू और लोकेशन बीनीथ द स्किन. Areolar tissue, a type of connective tissue, consists of gel-like matrix incorporating strands of protein fibers, collagen, and elastin, and such cells are fibroblasts, mast cells, macrophages, uh, and fat cells. This tissue is found throughout the body under the skin and linking organs and other tissues. Which of the following is an example of movement? Answer D, all of the above. Any protoplasmic streaming, biting and chewing of food, or flexion and extension of limbs. Pollutants from man's activities like effluents from the industries and homes can radically accelerate the aging process known as answer will be C, accelerated eutrophication. Repeated question है भी है. The selective reabsorption of glucose and amino acids into the blood takes place mainly in answer will be A, proximal convoluted tubule. The complete absorption nutrients takes place in proximal convoluted tubule. PCT is lined by microvilli contain large number of mitochondria in their cells as the absorption of nutrient is an active process. Find out the incorrect statement. First यहाँ पे कह रहा है A, PPLO is a prokaryotic cell. B, WBC shows amoeboid movement. C, mesosome helps in synthesis of carbohydrates. D, microbodies are cell organelle और prokaryotes have endomembrane cell organelle. यहाँ पे incorrect पूछ रहा है तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट होंगे सी और ई, यानी कि सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है म्यूजियम हेल्प्स इन सिंथेसिस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जो गलत होगा, और ई प्रोकैरियोट्स हैव इंडोमेम्ब्रेन सेल ऑर्गेनेली तो ये भी हमारा गलत है. प्रोकैरियोट्स में कोई भी सेल ऑर्गेनेली नहीं होते हैं। बाकी ए, बी और डी हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। Special membranous structure is a mesoderm which is formed by the extension of the plasma membrane into the cell. These extensions are in the form of vesicles, tubules, and lamella. They help in cell wall formation, DNA replication, and distribution to daughter cells. They also help in respiration secretion process to increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and enzymatic content. No organelles like the ones in the eukaryotes are found in prokaryotic cells except for ribosomes. The ventricles are relaxed and the ventricular pressure falls, causing the closure of semilunar valves. These events are related to. Answer will be C. Ventricular diastole. As ventricular muscle relaxes, pressure on the blood within the ventricles drops even further. Eventually, it drops below the pressure in the atria. Uh, when this occurs, blood flows from the atria into the ventricles, pushing open the tricuspid and mitral valves. One set of a plant was grown at 12 hours a day and 12 hours night period and is flowered, while in the other set, night phase was interrupted by a flash of light and it did not produce a flower. Under which one of the following category will you place this plant? Answer will be C. Short day plant. The plant which flowers in the equal duration of day and night photo period are called a day neutral plant. The plant which requires a short light period and longer continuous dark period for flowering are called short day plant. They requires a continuous uninterrupted dark period for flowering and fail to flower in the dark period is interrupted by a brief flash of light. Child death may occur in the marriage between. Answer will be B. Rh positive man and Rh negative woman. रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है इरेथ्रोब्लास्टिस फीटलिस का। सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द कॉकरोच। यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट में होगा सी। इन बोथ सेक्सेस द नाइन्थ सेगमेंट बियर्स अ पेयर ऑफ ज्वाइंटेड फिलामेंट स्ट्रेचेस कॉल्ड एनल सर्काई। बाकी ए, बी और जो डी है बिल्कुल सही है। इन फीमेल सेवंथ स्टर्नम इज बोर्ड शेप्ड। मेल्स बियर अ पेयर ऑफ शॉर्ट थ्रेड लाइक एनल स्टाइल विच आर एब्सेंट इन फीमेल्स और द एब्डोमेन in both males and females consists of 10 segments. The abdomen in both males and females consists of 10 segments. In females, the seventh sternum is boat-shaped, and together with eighth and ninth sternum forms a brood or genital pouch, whose anterior part contains female gonophore, spermatical posts, and collateral glands. In males, genital pouch or chamber lies at the hind end of abdomen, bounded dorsally by ninth and tenth targa and ventrally by ninth sternum. It contains dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore, and gonopophysis. Male bear a pair of short thread-like anal styles, which are absent in females. In both sexes, the 10th segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structures called as anal cerci. यहाँ पे 9th सेगमेंट है लेकिन होना चाहिए 10th सेगमेंट, इसलिए गलत होगा। नेक्स्ट, हाई बायोलॉजिकल डिमांड इन अ वाटर बॉडी मीन्स। आंसर विल बी सी। वाटर बॉडी कंटेन्स लॉट्स ऑफ लाइफ फॉर्म्स एंड ऑर्गेनिक पॉल्यूटेंट। ये भी हमारा क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है। Two bacteria found to be very useful in genetic experiment are जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट। तो यहाँ आंसर होगा डी, इकोलाई एंड एग्रोबैक्टीरियम। ये भी क्वेश्चन हमारा रिपीटेड है, पहले भी मॉक टेस्ट में ये आ चुका है। बैसिलस thuringiensis is widely used as। आंसर विल ए इंसेक्टिसाइड। ये भी हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। बैसिलस thuringiensis is widely used to control butterfly caterpillars. Spores of bt are available as sachets which are mixed with water and spread into vulnerable plants such as brassica and fruit trees, where they are eaten by insect larvae. In the gut of the larva, the toxin is released and the larva gets killed. In the C4 cycle, the primary CO2 acceptor is a 3 carbon molecule, that is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, and is present in the mesophyll cell. The enzyme responsible for the fixation is PEP carboxylase. C4 plant shows cranch anatomy in which mesophyll chloroplast differs from bundle sheath chloroplast. In C4 cycle, the primary CO2 acceptor is a 3 carbon molecule PEP and is present in the mesophyll cells. The enzyme responsible for the fixation is PEP carboxylase. A population that exhibits birth rates that are identical to the death rates implies answer will be B, plateau phase. uh, a population in which birth rate or number of births during a given period in the population and the death rate or the number of deaths during a given period is a population are same, then intrinsic growth rate of the population is zero and the population exhibits plateau phase. The catalytic efficiency of two different enzymes can be compared by answer will be A, its Km value. Km is the substrate concentration required to reach half of the maximum velocity of the reaction. Lower value of Km indicates higher affinity between substrate and the enzyme, thus reaction is fast. The lower value of Km indicates lower affinity and the reaction is slow. Which of the following statement is not applicable to viruses? आंसर डी यहाँ पे होगा, द वायरस रेप्लिकेट्स ऑटोनोमसली इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ अ होस्ट। ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी ए बी सी सही है। द वायरस रेप्लिकेट्स इन अ बैक्टीरियल होस्ट, द प्रोटीन कोट ऑफ वायरस डज नॉट इंटर द होस्ट सेल, और द जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज आइदर डीएनए और आरएनए। ओके, ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट क्वेश्चन है, पहले मॉक टेस्ट में आ चुके हैं। Select the correct option for the matched pair. Answer will be A, viroid naked infective RNA. Viroids are naked infective RNA which are not surrounded by any protein coat. Prions are infective proteins which causes disease only in animals. Protein coat of virus is known as capsid. Phytophage are plant viruses which generally have single strand RNA as the genetic material. Which of the following is not related to human teeth? आंसर विल बी बी, डेंटेलियम। डेंटेलियम यहाँ पे एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है मोलस्का का। Tooth enamel is the hard outer surface of our teeth that serves to protect against tooth decay. In fact, tooth enamel is considered the hardest mineral substance in our body, even stronger than bone. Dentalium is a kind of mollusca. Plants adapted to low light intensity have, answer will be A, larger photosynthetic unit size than the sun plants. To absorb more sunlight quantitatively, the plants growing in low light conditions have larger photosynthetic unit size. They have large side chloroplast are more in number. Their chloroplast has more number of chlorophyll molecules per reaction center to trap more light energy available to them. Find the incorrect statement from the following. Answer will be C. In diatoms, the cell wall forms two thin non-overlapping cells which fit together as in soap box. तो ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी ए बी और डी जो है हमारे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हैं। मेजोरिटी ऑफ इग्लोनॉइड्स आर फ्रेश वाटर ऑर्गेनिजम्स फाउंड इन स्टैग्नेंट वाटर. Slime molds are saprophytic protists or dinoflagellates are mostly marine and photosynthetic. In diatoms, the cell wall forms two thin overlapping cells which fit together as in a soap box. The walls are embedded with silica and thus the walls are indestructible. Thus, diatoms have left behind large amount of cell wall deposits in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years is referred to as diatomeous earth. Select the incorrectly matched pair. Answer will be A, purines, नाइट्रोजन बेसेज इसमें है साइटोसिन, थायमिन एंड यूरासिल। ये हमारा गलत है यहाँ पे। पैरिमिडीन में आते हैं साइटोसिन, थायमिडीन और यूरासिल। बाकी बी सी डी सही है। रिकम्बिनेंट डीएनए, डीएनए फाउंड बाय ज्वाइनिंग द डीएनए सेगमेंट्स फ्रॉम टू डिफरेंट सोर्सेज। सी आरआरएनए, आरएनए फाउंड इन राइबोसोम्स। और डी यहाँ पे है एटीपी, द एनर्जी कैरिंग कंपाउंड इन द सेल। Nitrogen bases purines are double ringed compounds which includes adenine and guanine. Cytosine, thymine and uracil are single ringed compound which are pyrimidines. rRNA are ribosomal RNA which combines with protein to form ribosomes. ATP is energy currency of the cell in which energy is carried in high energy phosphate bonds. Which of the following method is useful for increasing the rate of pollination and facilitating higher crop yield? Answer will be A. Apiculture. Apiculture or beekeeping is the care and management of honeybees for the production of honey and the wax. This method is useful for increasing the rate of pollination and facilitating higher crop yield. Read the following four statements A to D and select the option with the incorrect statement. ओके तो यहाँ पे ए कह रहा है द फर्स्ट ट्रांसजेनिक बफेलो रोजी प्रोड्यूस्ड मिल्क विच हैज ह्यूमन अल्फा लैक्टोएल्बुमिन इनरिच, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। यहाँ बफेलो नहीं काउ था। बी यहाँ पे है रेस्ट्रिक्शन इंजाइम्स आर यूज्ड इन आइसोलेशन ऑफ डीएनए फ्रॉम अदर मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स, तो ये भी हमारा गलत है। डीएनए को यहाँ पे डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए होता है। सी यहाँ पे है, इसलिए हमारा बी गलत हो जाएगा। सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है डाउन स्ट्रीम प्रोसेसिंग इज वन ऑफ द स्टेप्स ऑफ आर डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी, तो ये हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। डी कह रहा है डिसआर्म पैथोजेंस वेक्टर्स आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन द ट्रांसफर ऑफ आर डीएनए इनटू द होस्ट, तो ये भी हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। ए भी यहाँ पे गलत होगा और सी डी गलत, सी डी यहाँ पे सही होगा। आंसर विल बी डी, ए एंड बी आर इनकरेक्ट। Which of the following is incorrect in relation to difference between plant and animal cell? तो आंसर यहाँ पे होगा सी, सेल कैरेक्टर में सेल डिवीजन एनिमल सेल, सेल डिवीजन एस्ट्रल, और सेल प्लांट सेल में डिवीजन एस्ट्रल, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। यहाँ पे रिवर्स होता है। ए बी और डी जे यहाँ पे करेक्ट हो जाएंगे। कैरेक्टर सेल वाल एनिमल सेल में एब्सेंट होते हैं सेल वाल, और प्लांट सेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं। कैरेक्टर वैक्यूल एनिमल सेल में एब्सेंट और स्मॉल होते हैं और प्लांट सेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं। कैरेक्टर रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल एनिमल सेल में ग्लाइकोजेन जो होते हैं यहाँ पे एनिमल सेल में होते हैं, और रिजर्व फूड और प्लांट सेल में स्टार्च होते हैं। Cell division in an animal cell is astral as they have centriole and astral rays develop from them. In plant cell, astral rays are absent, thus their division is an anastral. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल रीड कर लेंगे। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कर रहा है बियर्स गो इनटू हाइबरनेशन ड्यूरिंग विंटर टू escape कोल्ड वेदर। सेकंड यहाँ पे है वास्प पोलिनेटिंग अ फिग फ्लावर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ। आंसर विल बी म्यूचुअलिज्म। ओके आंसर यहाँ पे डी होगा। द नेम ऑफ, अच्छा यहाँ पे अगर इस पे कन्फ्यूजन आपको हो कि बियर में हाइबरनेशन होते हैं यहाँ पे या फिर एस्टिवेशन, तो बियर और हाइबर, ओके ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं, बियर और हाइबर, यानी बियर में होते हैं हाइबरनेशन। The name of Mary Malone was associated with, आंसर विल बी ए, द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ टाइफाइड, ये भी हमारा जो है रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। नॉनसेंस कोडोन्स पार्टिसिपेट इन, आंसर विल बी सी, टर्मिनेटिंग मैसेज ऑफ जीन कंट्रोल्ड प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस। In which of the following RQ will always be less than 1? Answer C, ground nut. The ratio of the volume of CO2 evolved to the volume of O2 consumed in respiration is called the respiratory quotient RQ, where when fats are used in respiration the RQ is less than 1. For oxidation of ground nut, fats are oxidized, the value of RQ is less than 1. In rice and potato, the main respiratory substrate is carbohydrates for which the RQ value is 1. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिर रीड कर लेंगे। लेसर इंटर स्पेसिफिक कंपटीशन इज नॉट जनरली सीन इन बायोडाइवर्सिटी हॉट स्पॉट्स। हॉट स्पॉट्स आर दोज रीजन्स with very high species richness and high degree of endemism that is the species is confined to the particular region. These hotspots are also regions of accelerated habitat loss. Since they are rich in diversity, they show higher interspecific competition. Which of the following is an incorrect statement regarding Plasmodium falciparum? आंसर विल बी सी। यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट होंगे। इट इज हेलमिंथिज, तो हेलमिंथिज नहीं प्रोटोजोवन होते हैं। बाकी ए बी और डी जो है बिल्कुल सही है। इट कॉजेज मैलेग्नेंट मलेरिया, इट इज ट्रांसमिटेड बाई मॉस्क्यूटो और इट मे बी फेटल। तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन भी पहले आ चुके हैं। कौन सा फेटल है, तो फैल्सीफेरम हमने बताया था। एफ फॉर फैल्सीफेरम और एफ फॉर फेटल। Falciparum malaria is the most severe form of malaria caused by Plasmodium falciparum, which with severe constitutional symptoms and sometimes causing death. Accumulation of which of the following acids results in the closure of stomata? Answer will be A. Malic acid. According to the pump theory, during the closure of stomata, ABA stops the energy-dependent proton pump in guard cell, thus diffuses out of the cell and enters inside, which combines with malate ions to form malic acid. OP of the guard cells decrease decrease the stomata close. Venation is a term used to describe the pattern of arrangement of. Answer will be C. Veins and veinlets in lamina. Arrangement of vein and veinlets on leaf lamina is called as venation. When vein forms a network, the venation is called as reticulate. As in dicots, when veins lie parallel to each other, then the venation is called parallel. As in monocots, veins provide rigidity to the leaf lamina and acts as channel of transport for वाटर एंड मिनरल्स। तो वेनेसन का जितने भी ट्रिक है हमने बना रखे हैं एग्जाम्पल के ट्रिक्स, तो आप उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं या फिर हमारे चैनल पे सर्च कर सकते हैं वेनेसन ट्रिक लिखकर। डैमेज टू हियरिंग इज कॉज्ड बाय साउंड्स व्हिच एक्सीड। आंसर विल बी बी 120 डेसिबल। Noise has been well defined as unwanted sound which is being dumped into the atmosphere to disturb the unwilling ear. Sound intensity of 100 decibel becomes uncomfortable and 130 decibel is painful. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Okay. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट है ऑटोजोमल रिसेसिव ट्रेट का होगा 4 यानी सिकल सेल एनीमिया। 2 का थर्ड यानी सेक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव ट्रेट का होगा हीमोफीलिया मेटाबॉलिक ईदर लिंक्ड टू एन ऑटोजोमल रिसेसिव ट्रेट का होगा सेकेंड यानी फिनाइल कीटोन्यूरिया। और 4 एडिशनल क्रोमोजोम का होगा फर्स्ट डाउन सिंड्रोम। Chromosomal disorder occurs when there is addition or deletion of chromosome in the individual. In case of trisomy of the chromosome causes Down syndrome, this results in mental retardation and physical development is retarded as well. The palm of the individual is broad with characteristic palm series. Phenylketonuria is an inborn error of metabolism. Phenylketonuria is an inborn error of metabolism where the individual has reduced metabolism of the amino acid phenylalanine. Such mutation leads to the mental retardation which with reduction in hair and skin pigmentation. It is a recessive autosomal disorder. Hemophilia X-linked recessive disorder. X chromosome is a part of the sex chromosome. In hemophilia, the individual has delayed clotting time for blood which can be fatal. Sickle cell anemia is a type of genetic blood disorder which is inherited from the parents. The person suffering from it develops an abnormal hemoglobin that leads to elongated and curved or sickle-shaped RBC. Such condition occurs when the individual inherits two abnormal copies of gene for beta globin. chain of hemoglobin from each parent. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. Which of the following is a well-known sacred groups in India? Repeat question है, answer will be C. Kasi and Jantia Hills. सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट पेयर, आंसर सी फीमेल हेट्रोगैमेटिक ग्रास हॉपर में, ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी ए बी और जो डी है बिल्कुल सही है। ये हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है। फीमेल हेट्रोगैमेटिक होते हैं बर्ड्स में। इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस डॉग फ्लावर, पिलियोट्रोपी, फिनाइलकीटोन्यूरिया और क्लेनफिल्टर सिंड्रोम एक्स एक्स वाई। Question number 80. Which of the following help to increase the volume of the thoracic chamber during the mechanism of breathing? Answer will be D. All of these. Yani the contraction of diaphragm, contraction of external intercostal muscle, or the uplifting of sternum. Inspiration is initiated by the contraction of diaphragm, which increases the volume of thoracic chamber in the anterior posterior axis. The contraction of external intercostal muscles lifts up the ribs and the sternum, causing an increase in the volume of the thoracic chamber in the dorsoventral axis. The overall increase in the thoracic volume causes a similar increase in pulmonary volume. Which of the following is a feature of genetic equilibrium? Answer will be D. All of these. Yani the gene pool remains constant, allele frequency of a population is stable, or the total sum of all the allele frequency is the sum total of all the frequencies one यहाँ पे होना चाहिए। The Hardy equilibrium is a principle stating that the genetic variation in a population will remain constant for one generation to the next in the absence of disturbing factors. When mating is random in a large population with no disruptive circumstances, the law predicts that both genotype and allele frequencies will remain constant um, because they are in equilibrium. तो यहाँ पे द टोटल सम ऑफ द एलील फ्रीक्वेंसी कांस्टेंट यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, एक बार देख लेना बुक से। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ फॉस्फोलिपिड? आंसर विल बी सी। यहाँ पे जो लेसिथिन है वो फॉस्फोलिपिड है। लेसिथिन इज द मोस्ट abundant phospholipid present in the cell membrane. It is made up of one molecule of glycerol to which two fatty acid molecules are attached and one phosphoric acid. ये हमारा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में सारे आ चुके हैं। A foreign DNA and plasmid cut by the same restriction endonuclease can be joined to form a recombinant DNA by, answer will be D, DNA ligase. Repeated question. Cystic fibrosis is an, answer will be C, autosomal recessive disorder. Mendelian disorders are mainly determined by alternation or mutation in the single gene. These disorders are transmitted to the offspring on the same lines as we have studied in the principle of inheritance. The pattern of inheritance of such Mendelian disorders can be traced in a family by the pedigree analysis. Most common and prevalent Mendelian disorders are hemophilia, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, phenylketonuria, thalassemia, etc. Cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and phenylketonuria are examples of autosomal recessive disorders, while hemophilia and color blindness are sex-linked disorders. Both of them are X-linked recessive disorders. Examples of autosomal dominant includes myotonic dystrophy. Majority of plants use, answer will be A, biotic agent for pollination. The partial pressure of oxygen at alveoli A and blood capillary of lungs B will be, तो आंसर यहाँ पे ए होगा। एल्वियोली के पास जो ऑक्सीजन का पार्शियल प्रेशर है 104 mmHg होते हैं, और लंग्स के ब्लड कैपिलरी ऑफ लंग्स के पास होते हैं 95 mmHg. The partial pressure of oxygen in alveolar air is about 104 mmHg, whereas the partial pressure of the oxygenated pulmonary venous blood is about 95 to 98 mmHg. Consider the following four statements and select the option with both incorrect statement. तो ये यहाँ पे कह रहा है द स्पोरोफाइट इन लिवर ओट इज मोर इलाबोरेट देन इन मोसेस, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा, इस टाइप का पहले भी क्वेश्चन आ चुका है। सेला जिनेला इज हेट्रोस्पोरस, ओके, तो ये बिल्कुल सही है। सी कह रहा था लाइफ साइकिल इन ऑल सीड बेयरिंग प्लांट इज डिप्लॉन्टिक, तो ये भी हमारा गलत होगा। और ऑल सीड बियरिंग में, और इन ऑल सीड बियरिंग, ओके, विद द फॉलोइंग विद बोथ इनकरेक्ट यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है, ठीक है। तो ये यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट होंगे, बी यहाँ पे करेक्ट होंगे, सी यहाँ पे कर रहा है द लाइफ साइकिल इन ऑल सीड बियरिंग प्लांट इज डिप्लोनिक, तो बिल्कुल सही है, सारे सीड बियरिंग प्लांट में जिम्नोस्पर्म और एंजियोस्पर्म में डिप्लोनिक लाइफ साइकिल होते ही हैं। डी यहाँ पे कर रहा है इन पाइनस मेल एंड फीमेल कौन सा बोर्न एंड डिफरेंट ट्रीज, तो ये हमारा गलत है, इसका ट्रिक भी हमने बना रखा है। पी एम और सी डी, तो पी फॉर पाइनस, एम फॉर मोनोसियस, और सी फॉर साइकस और डी फॉर डायोसियस। तो पाइनस हमारा जो होते हैं मोनोसियस यानी सेम ट्रीज पे होते हैं, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा, आंसर विल बी ए एंड डी। The sporophyte in liverworts is small and simple, and a sporophyte in moss is more elaborate than liverworts. In pinus plant is monoecious, in which male and female cones are born on the same plant. Which of the following cannot be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? तो आंसर होगा सी, alleles do not show any blending and both the characters recovers as such in F2 generation, तो ये हमारा जो है वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हैं मेंडल्स लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस से, बाकी ए बी और डी को कर सकते हैं। द डिस्क्रीट यूनिट कंट्रोलिंग अ पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर इज कॉल्ड अ फैक्टर आउट ऑफ वन पेयर ऑफ फैक्टर्स, वन इज डोमिनेंट एंड अदर इज रिसेसिव, और ऑल द इनहेरिटेबल फैक्टर्स अकर इन पेयर्स। Question number 89. Which of the following is a coconut milk factor? Answer will be B. Cytokinin. Cytokinin are plant growth hormones that are basic in nature and derivatives of aminopyrin or phenylurea. These hormones promote cell division cytokinesis either alone or in conjugation with oxygen. In liquid endosperm of coconut kinetin, cytokinin are present. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है बायो का, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेन इज सी शेप्ड, आंसर विल बी ए, डिओडिनम। द स्मॉल intestine is distinguishable into three regions as C-shaped duodenum, a long coiled middle portion jejunum, and highly coiled ileum. The opening of the stomach into the duodenum is guarded by the pyloric sphincter. ओके, ये सारे थे बायो क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए चैनल पे हैं तो न्यू व्यूअर्स हैं हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसे सारे वीडियो आते रहेंगे एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पे है केमिस्ट्री का। डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ ऑफ टू पार्टिकल्स ए एंड बी आर प्लॉटेड अगेंस्ट 1/√v, where v is the potential on the particles. Which of the following relation is correct about the mass of particles? Answer will be B, ma is greater than mb. Which of the following compounds would you expect to have a dipole moment? आंसर यहाँ पे होगा डी, ओके। In which of the following processes colloidal sulfur is formed? Answer will be B, FeCl3 plus H2S. Which of the following weigh the least? Answer will be A, 24 gram of magnesium. Which of the following will have highest bond energy? Answer B, N2. Which one of the following ion is aromatic? Answer will be A, is aromatic. A gas cylinder containing cooking gas can withstand a pressure at 14.9 atm. The pressure gauge of the cylinder indicates 12 atm at 27 degrees Celsius. Due to a sudden fire in the building, its temperature starts rising. At what temperature will the cylinder explode? Answer will be A, 372.5 Kelvin. For the reaction CH3COOH liquid plus C2H5 liquid gives CH3COO C2H5 liquid plus H2O liquid. The value of equilibrium constant K is 4 at 298 Kelvin. The standard free energy change delta G naught is equal to, answer will be B, minus 3.473 kilojoule per mole. The IUPAC name of the following compound is, answer will be A, 5,6 diethyl 3 methyl dec 4 in. Atoms of element B from HCP lattice and those of element A occupy two-thirds of tetrahedral voids. The formula of compound is, answer will be A4B3. Number of structural isomers of C4H10O that are ethers are, answer will be C3. In the given reaction, CH3C, CH2H5, C3H7Br, in presence of NaIHOH acetone gives X. X will be, answer will be B, mixture of A and B. Which of the following statements is not applicable to H2SO4? Answer D. The acid always exhibit a basicity of 2. ये हमारा जो है स्टेटमेंट नॉट अप्लीकेबल टू H2SO4, बाकी ए बी सी होंगे. द मोलिकुल्स एसोसिएटेड बाय H bonds, oxidation state of sulfur is +6, or the hybrid state of sulfur and oxygen atoms of OH groups is same. The half life period for catalytic decomposition of XY3 at 100 millimeter is found to be 8 hours, and at 200 millimeter it is 4 hours. The order of reaction is, answer will be B2. The sodium salt of a weak acid is hydrolyzed to the extent of 3%, is in 0.1 m solution in water at 25 degrees Celsius. If Ka for weak acid is 1.3 10 to the power minus 10, the ionic product of water is, answer will be A, 1.17 into 10 to the power minus 14. Consider the following compounds. First, C6H5NaCH2. Second, C6H5NaC6H5. Third, C6H5 whole thrice N. Fourth, CH3CH2NH2. तो आंसर यहाँ पे होगा, यहाँ पे तो बेसिक बेसिक नेचर यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है, बेसिक ऑर्डर. तो फोर यहाँ आंसर होगा बी, सबसे ज़्यादा 4, देन 1, देन 2, देन 3. The concentrated aqueous solution of potassium salts of acetic acid and propanonic acid are electrolyzed. Which of the following hydrocarbon is are produced? Answer will be C, CH3, CH3, and CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Which of the following carbonyl compounds will give racemization reaction in the presence of acid or base? Answer will be B. Which transition metal have lowest density? Answer will be A, scandium. A certain quantity of electricity deposits 0.54 gram of silver from AgNO3 solution. What volume of hydrogen will the same quantity of electricity liberate at 27 degrees Celsius and 750 mm Hg pressure? Answer will be A, 62.34 ml. Match list 1 with list 2 and select this correct answer using the codes given below the list. तो आंसर हमारा यहाँ पे होगा बी, पी का 3 यानी न्यूक्लिक एसिड का पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड, क्यू का 4 यानी यूरासिल का होगा आरएनए में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, आर का 1 यानी थायमिन का डीएनए प्रेजेंट होते हैं, और एस का 1 डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर 1 होंगे यानी डीएनए में ही होते हैं. The equivalent conductance of 0.2 N solution of an electrolyte was found to be 200 per ohm centimeter square per equivalent. The cell constant of the cell is 2 per centimeter. The resistance of solution is, answer will be A, 50 ohm. Which of the following pairs of elements show diagonal relationship? First, lithium and magnesium. Second, boron and silicon. Third, magnesium and aluminum. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer will be C, 1 and 2. The graph showing variation of osmotic pressure pi versus molar concentration C of aqueous solution at temperature T is given below. The slope of the line represents, slope यहाँ पे यहाँ होगा CRT. इन द गिवन रिएक्शन एक्स विल बी, तो यहाँ पे एक्स होगा बी यानी कि थेरियो 2,3-dibromobutane. How will you convert butane on to propanoic acid? Answer will be C, NaOH plus I2 plus H plus. NaOH plus I2 or H plus. The standard molar enthalpy of formation of cyclohexane 1 and benzene 1 at 25 degrees Celsius are minus 156 and plus 49 kilojoule per mole respectively. The standard enthalpy of hydrogenation of a cyclohexene 1 at 25 degrees Celsius is minus 116 kilojoule per mole. Use these data to estimate the magnitude of the resonance energy of the benzene. Answer will be A, 152 kilojoule per mole. Polling process is used for. Answer will be A, the removal of CuO from Cu. The vapor pressure of benzene at 90 degrees Celsius is 1020 torr. A solution of 15 gram of a solute in 58.5 gram benzene has a vapor pressure of 990 torr. The molecular weight of the solute is. Answer will be D, 226.6. What is the percentage of decomposition of H2S if 1 mole of H2S is introduced into a 1.1 liter vessel of 1000 Kelvin? Case for the reaction H2S gives 2H2 plus H2 gas is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Answer will be A, 1.3%. Prussic acid plus O2 in presence of Ag क्या होगा? The product of the evaporation are. Answer will be A, C2N2 and H2O. Consider the following statements. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है सी एस प्लस आयन इज मोर हाईली हाइड्रेटेड दैन अदर अल्कली मेटल्स, तो ये हमारा जो है इनकरेक्ट होगा. सेकेंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है अमॉन्ग द अल्कली मेटल्स लिथियम सोडियम पोटेशियम एंड रुबिडियम लिथियम हैज द हाईएस्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, तो ये हमारा करेक्ट होगा. थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है अमॉन्ग द alkali metals only lithium forms a stable nitride by direct combination, तो ये भी हमारा बिल्कुल सही होगा. ओके, 2 and 3 आर करेक्ट. आंसर विल बी डी. The root mean square speed of an ideal gas is enclosed container of fixed volume is increased from 5 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second to 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Which of the following statement might correctly explains how the change is accomplished? Answer will be B. By heating the gas, the pressure is quadrupled. A gaseous reaction X2 gas gives Z gas plus half Y gas. Shows increase in pressure from 150 millimeter to 170 millimeter in 10 minutes. The rate of disappearance of X2 is. Answer will be A, 4 millimeter per minute. Which of the following nitroalkanes will give nitrolic acid with NaNO2 conc H2SO4? Answer will be C, CH2 CH single bond CH2 single bond NO2 and CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 NO2. Unknown compound A C9H8O5 on methylation with CH3 whole twice SO4 NOH forms methyl derivative whose molecular weight is 210. The number of hydroxyl groups in A is. Answer will be C1. Consider the MOH whole thrice found by all the groups 13 elements. The correct sequence of acidic strength of hydroxide MOH whole thrice is. Answer will be A, BOH whole thrice सबसे ज़्यादा, then ALOH whole thrice, then GOH whole thrice, INOH whole thrice और सबसे कम होगा TLOH whole thrice. In the reaction CH3C double bond OCH3 CH3 in presence of LiLH4 A plus B यहाँ पे गिव कर रहा है. आंसर यहाँ पे सी होगा. बोथ A and B will give halo form reaction. Which one of the following can show optical isomerism? Answer will be B, K3Cr C2O4 whole thrice. Speak out incorrect statement. Answer will be C. यहाँ पे incorrect है. Dipole moment of NF3 is more than that of NH3, तो ये हमारा incorrect है. बाकी A, B और D है बिल्कुल सही है. NF3 molecule has trigonal pyramidal structure. NF3 is practically insoluble in water and is only hydrolyzed when electric spark is passed through a mixture with water vapor or nitrogen. Third oxide N2O3 is an acidic oxide. Okay. Which of the following compounds liberates dihydrogen gas at anode when it is electrolyzed in molten state, but the same gas is liberated at cathode if its aqueous solution is electrolyzed? Answer will be B, NaH. The standard reduction potential for Cu2 plus Cu is 0.34 volt. The reduction potential at pH equal to 14 for the above couple KSPCOH whole is given यहाँ पे है 1 into 10 to power minus 19 is आंसर यहाँ पे होगा A minus 0.22 volt. Question number 43. Sodium salt of acetic acid reacts with ethyl iodide to give. Answer will be B. CH3 CH2O C double bond O OCH3. The carbon chlorine bond length is shortest in. Answer will be A. CH3 double bond CH2 double bond CH single bond Cl. Next. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 यहाँ पे है इन गिवन रिएक्शन एक्स यहाँ पे क्या होगा? आंसर यहाँ पे होगा सी और ये रहे एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, दिस रिएक्शन इज क्लैजियन एस्टर कंडेंसेशन एस्टर बिटवीन एस्टर एंड कीटोन रिएक्शन बिटवीन एस्टर एंड कीटोन एच फॉलोज. ओके, तो ये हमारे थे बायो और केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि ऐसे ही वीडियो आते रहेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर यहाँ पे 1 है फिजिक्स का. The product of linear momentum and angular momentum of an electron of the hydrogen atom is proportional to n to power x, where x is. Answer will be A 0. When lithium 7 3 nuclei are bombarded by protons and the resultant nuclei are beryllium 8 4, the emitted particles will be. Answer will be D gamma photons. Three particles of masses 50 gram, 100 gram and 150 gram are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side 1 meter as shown in the figure. The xy coordinates of the center of mass will be. Answer will be A sin y 12 meter and root 3 by 4 meter. Two perfectly elastic objects A and B of identical mass are moving with velocities 15 meter per second and 10 meter per second respectively collide along the direction of line joining them. Their velocities after the collision are respectively. Answer will be A 10 meter per second and 15 meter per second. What is the linear velocity of a body on the surface of the earth at the equator given the radius of earth is 6400 km? Period of rotation of earth is equal to 24 hours. Answer will be A 465 meter per second. The angle of dip at a certain place on earth is 60 degree and the magnitude of the earth's horizontal component of the magnetic field is 0.26 g. The magnetic field of the place on earth is. Answer will be C 0.52 g. For what value of R the current in galvanometer is 0? Answer will be D 1 ohm. An unknown resistance R1 is connected in series with a resistance of 10 ohm. This combination is connected to one gap of the meter bridge while a resistance R2 is connected in the other gap. The balance point is at 50 cm. Now when the 10 ohm resistance is removed, the balance point shifts to 40 cm. The value of R1 in ohm is. Answer will be A 20 ohm. 6 negative equal charges are placed at the vertices of a regular hexagon. 6q charge is placed at the center of the hexagon. Find the electric dipole moment of the system. Answer will be A 0. A series combination of N1 is charged at a point difference 3 volt. Another parallel combination of N2 each of capacity C2 is charged to a potential difference V. The total energy stored in both the combination is the same. The value of C1 in terms of C2 is, answer will be A, C2 N1 N2 by 9. The dimensional formula of magnetic flux is, answer will be A, ml2 T minus 2 A minus 1. In a transformer, the number of turns in the primary coil is 140 and that in the secondary coil is 280. If the current in the primary coil is 4 ampere, then that in the secondary coil is, answer will be B, 2 ampere. Two planets of radii in the ratio 2 is to 3 are made from the material of density in the ratio 3 is to 2. Then the ratio of acceleration due to gravity g1 by g2 at the surface of the two planets will be, answer will be A, 1. A planet is a planet in a distant solar system is 10 times more massive than the Earth and its radius is 10 times smaller. Given that the escape velocity from the Earth is 11 km per second, the escape velocity from the surface of the planet would be, answer will be D, 110 km per second. A long metallic bar is carrying heat from one of its end to the other end under steady state. The variation of temperature theta along the length x of the bar from its hot end is best described by which of the following figure? Answer will be B. Next. In a Carnot engine, the temperature of the reservoir is 927 degrees Celsius and that of sink is 127 degrees Celsius. If the work done by the engine when it transfers heat from the reservoir to sink is 12.6 into 10 power 6 joule, the quantity of heat absorbed by the engine from the reservoir is, answer will be A, 18.9 into 10 power 6 joule. A gas is expanded from volume V naught to 2 V naught under three different processes. In process 1 is an isobaric process, process 2 is isothermal, and process 3 is adiabatic. Let delta E1 and delta E2 and delta E3 be the change in internal energy of the gas in these three processes. Then answer will be A, delta E1 is greater than delta E2 is greater than delta E3. The magnitude of the magnetic field at O, center of the circular part, due to the current carrying coil as shown is, answer will be D, mu naught I by 4 pi into 3 pi A plus under root 2B. The strength of the magnetic field around a long straight wire carrying current is, answer will be B, inversely proportional to the distance from the wire. Stone of density 2000 kg meter cube completely immersed in a lake is allowed to sink from rest. If the effect of the friction is neglected, then after 4 seconds, the stone will reach a depth of, answer will be B, 39.2 meter. A body is projected up a smooth inclined plane with a velocity v from the point A as shown in the figure. The angle of inclination is 45 degree and the top is connected to a well of diameter 40 meter. If the body just manages to cross the well, what is the value of V? Length of the inclined plane is 20 root 2 meter. Answer will be D, 20 root 2 meter per second. A heavy uniform chain lies on a horizontal tabletop. If the coefficient of friction between the chain and the table surface is 0.25, then the maximum fraction of the length of the chain that can hang over one edge of the table is, answer will be A, 20%. The system of two blocks is at rest as shown in the figure. A variable horizontal force is applied to the upper block. The maximum possible contact force exerted by the horizontal ground surface on the lower block is, coefficient of friction for both contacts is mu. आंसर यहाँ पे होगा A, 3 mg under root 1 plus mu square. If in a nuclear fission a piece of uranium of mass 5 gram is lost, the energy obtained in kilowatt hour is answer will be A 1.25 into 10 to power 7. In a nuclear reactor, the function of the moderator is to decrease. Answer will be B speed of neutrons. The magnitude of the maximum acceleration is pi times that of the maximum velocity of a simple harmonic oscillator. The time period of the oscillator in second is answer will be B 2. A pole is floating in a liquid with 80 centimeter of its length immersed. It is pushed down a certain distance and then released. The time period of vertical oscillation is answer will be A 4 pi by 7 second. A photocell is receiving light from a source placed at a distance of 1 meter. If the same source is to be placed at a distance of 2 meter, then the ejected electrons will be 1/4 in number. Answer will be D. The frequency of the incident light falling on a photosensitive metal plate is doubled. The kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectron is answer will be C more than doubled. Two liquids which do not react chemically are placed in a bent tube as shown in the figure. The heights of the liquids above their surface of separation are answer will be B inversely proportional to their densities. A soap bubble A of radius 0.03 meter and another bubble B of radius 0.04 meter are brought together so that the combined bubble has a common interference of radius r. Then the value of r each answer will be C 0.12 meter. An air bubble in a glass slab with refractive index 1.5 near normal incidence is 5 cm deep when viewed from one surface and 3 cm deep when viewed from the opposite face. The thickness in centimeter of the slab is answer will be C 12. A ray of light passing through a prism of refractive index under root 2 undergoes minimum deviation if it is found that the angle of incidence is double the angle of reflection within the prism. The angle of the prism is answer will be B 90 degree. A uniform meter scale of mass 1 kg is placed on a table such that a part of the scale is beyond the edge. If a body of mass 0.25 kg is hung at the end of the scale, then the minimum length of scale that should lie on the table so that it does not tilt is answer will be D 60 centimeter. Two solid cylinders A and B of the same mass and same radius start rolling down a fixed inclined plane from the same height at the same time. The cylinder A has most of its mass concentrated near the surface, while B has most of its mass concentrated near the axis. Which statement is correct? Answer will be C. Cylinder B reaches the ground with larger angular speed. A general diode having breakdown voltage equal to 15 volt is used in a voltage regulator circuit shown in the figure. The current through the diode is answer will be D 5 milliampere. In an NPN transistor circuit, the collector current is 10 milliampere. If 90% of the electrons emitted reach the collector, answer will be A. The base current will be 1 milliampere. For a rigid diatomic molecule, the universal gas constant R equal to NCP, where Cp is the molar specific heat at constant pressure and N is a number, hence N is equal to. Answer will be C 0.2857. A spherical liquid drop is placed on a horizontal plane. A small disturbance causes the volume of the drop to oscillate. The time period of oscillation T of the liquid drop depends on the radius r of the drop, density ρ, and surface tension S of the liquid. Which among the following will be possible expression for the time period where K is a dimensionless constant? Answer will be C K into under root rho r cube by S. The angular width of central maximum is maximum in the Fraunhofer's diffraction pattern is measured. The slit is illuminated by the light of wavelength 6000 angstrom. If the slit is illuminated by the light of another wavelength, angular width decreases by 30%. The wavelength of light used is answer will be B4200 angstrom. And in an ideal uh, double slit experiment, when a glass plate mu equal to 1.5 of thickness T is introduced in the path of one interfering beam's wavelength lambda, the intensity at the position where the central maximum occurred previously remains unchanged. The minimum thickness of the glass plate is answer will be D2 lambda. A string of density 7.5 gram per centimeter cube and area of cross section 0.2 meter mm square is stretched under a tension of 20 Newton. When it is plugged at the midpoint, the speed of the transverse wave of the wire is answer will be A 116 meter per second. A closed organ pipe and an open organ pipe are tuned to be same fundamental frequency. The ratio of their length is answer will be D1:2. An engine pumps water through a hose pipe. Water passes through the pipe and leaves it with a velocity of 2 meters per second. The mass per unit length of water in the pipe is 100 kg per meter. What is the power of the engine? Answer will be D 800 watt. Power applied to a particle varies with time. Hp equal to 3t square minus 2t plus 1 watts, where t is uh, time in seconds. Then the change in kinetic energy between time t equal to 2 second to t equal to 4 second is answer will be A 46 जूल. ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो के क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और जो नए सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि ऐसे ही सारे वीडियो आते रहेंगे. एनटी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के 98 हो चुके हैं, 100 भी हो ही जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे. और जिन्हें भी एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ चाहिए वो हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है.